Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ideas for Life. Today we are going to talk about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So we'll start with VLOOKUP, how to use VLOOKUP in Excel tables. So here I have data pertaining to the sales. Okay, so there are region and the sales date and the order, item which is being sold and what's the executive name. And we have item name and we need to drag the item code for these names for each order, in front of for each order. So in the right hand side we have two columns which is having the item name and we'll have the product code. So all those product codes we need to pull it to all the orders now. So which is see from this table we need to take the product code on each order. We need to put that. So putting manually would be the it will take us more time consuming. So here we need to enter the formula bar and we can mention VLOOKUP in the search bar. Or else we can directly put equal symbol and we can type VLOOKUP. So it will come directly. So this is the easiest way. There is a shortcut actually. If you put directly equals, it will come. Okay. Or else you can use this function tab. Function button and you can search here VLOOKUP. It's very basic thing like. So VLOOKUP you need to enter and you need to go on, then it will come and you need to click on that. So that VLOOKUP formula bar will start. So once we get that, so we will have first we need to select the item name. So for which we need to drag the code. So for that item we need to click on it. So that cell number will appear here. After that we need to tell them that from where we need to get the data. So for that table array, we need to select full. We need to click on both the columns at a time so that both range will be get selected. So after that, after item code, after how many item name, after how many column we will get a product code. So here you are just beside it, so it will be 1 and 2. Number 2 we need to put here because product 1 would be the item name and the second would be the product code. From there it is the second column we have a data which we need to get it. So again here we need to put the variable. That variable must be numerical 1. That's a constant value we need to put for all the VLOOKUP table. So that will drag the exact match. If you put 0 there it will take approximate, but we need the exact so we need to put 1. We need exact product code for the item name. So then press on OK or enter. So it will get the result of that product code for that particular item name. Later on, once it's been done, so now it's easier to copy to all the cells. We just drag that to the remaining cells. So it will automatically take the product codes for all the items. So it's the very simplest way of doing VLOOKUP. So here we have product code and which is matching with the product code which is in front of the item name. So right, you can cross verify this. This will work very easy, and if you have lots of data it will be very useful to pick and you can put it in a single formula instead of going Control F5. So now let's learn about HLOOKUP. See, there it is, data would be in vertical in the column. Here in this we have our data in a horizontal mode. In these rows we have data in a rows. So there is a small change in the formula. Rest all it will be same like VLOOKUP only. Okay. So now we need to click on where we need the data. So then we need to, instead of V we will put H. H means horizontal lookup. So we will search for HLOOKUP and again we will select the item name. So for which we need the exact item product code. So same way we did vertically there, here we need to do horizontally. We need to select those array where the data is there. So that table we need to select and we need to count that index number on which the data is there, which we need to get it in front of the item name. So here we put 0 for horizontal, we will put only approximate data. So we will put OK. We press OK, it will come. Yeah, here it is. You have to drag the same to rest of the rows. So it will reflect the exact result. So you can do it for the tries also. You need to put one more HLOOKUP for one more data point which you need. So we got the product code and we need the price also for each item. We can get it from the horizontal table. So these, the same way we need to do it, whatever we did in the previous. So let's select this, and now the index number will get changed. Previously it was 2, now it is 3 we need to put, because in the third row we have a data which we need to drag, and the variable again, it's a constant number, 0 we have entered, right? We'll press on OK now. We got the data. So you can drag the same formula for the remaining cells. So here the thing is, we have a data in the right hand side. In the both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, we saw the data in the right hand side. It can be there in any Excel or any sheet of the same computer. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Please like the video.